Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add text on a video in Lightworks app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Lightworks app on your laptop device. Once you open the app, select the project that you want to add text on. Click on open. Once you click on open, now select VFX over here. After you select VFX, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see the option for favorite. Now click on favorite and select text. Choose it according to your preference. For example, I am going to add this one. To add this text on our video, just simply drag it down to the timeline. Now drag this text to the certain part of the video where you want to add text on. After you select the part of the video, now just select the text. To change this text, just tap on sample text. Now delete this text. After deleting those texts, add the text according to your preference. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add text to video on Lightworks. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.